Disney magic just keeps getting bigger. Literally. I'm here to spill all the tea on Disney's newest cruise ship, and trust me, this ship is making waves in the best way possible. So, let's talk about the Disney Destiny. This beauty was just christened at Port Everglades in Florida, and it wasn't your average bottle-smashing ceremony. Oh no, Disney brought out the big stars. Susan Egan, the iconic voice of Meg from Hercules, was named the ship's godmother. And let me tell you, she looked right at home blessing a ship full of heroes and villains. I mean, who better to keep the drama afloat? Now, the Destiny is the third Wish-class ship in Disney's fleet, joining the Wish and the Treasure. What sets this one apart? It's got a theme that's all about celebrating your favorite Disney heroes and those lovable villains we all secretly root for. You'll spot hero Minnie Mouse on the bow and Spider-Man and his Spider-Bots hanging out on the stern. Talk about star power. Step inside and you'll find the whole place decked out to make you feel like you've stepped right into an epic Disney showdown. Think heroic decor, villainous lounges, and surprises around every corner, no matter your age. Speaking of surprises, get ready for a Broadway-style show, Disney Hercules, with a brand new song you can only hear on board. Fancy a dinner where the music's just as magical as the food? Check out the Pride Lands, Feast of the Lion King. Look, if you're not humming Hakuna Matata by dessert, you're doing it wrong. The ship's got bars and lounges themed after everything from the Haunted Mansion to Pirates of the Caribbean, and even a Cruella de Vil-inspired hotspot. And yes, you get to meet the likes of Maleficent, Dr. Facilier, and all your favorite classic characters, hero, villain, or somewhere in between. Even the staterooms channel the spirit of Hercules, Mulan, and Brave, so you can sleep surrounded by heroes. And with Disney's signature split bath design, getting ready for adventure is easier than ever. The first official sailings kick off November 20th, heading to the Bahamas and the Caribbean, with stops at Disney's private islands. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your cape or your evil laugh, and let's set sail on the Disney Destiny. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more magical updates. See you on the next sail!